Hi everyone, today I'm making this video, it's a structural video on how to set up and run the JavaScript program I made, which commenced Triangle Arbitrage on decentralized exchanges. I'll leave a link to the GitHub so you can download the program and follow the instructions in my YouTube video, or you can just go to GitHub and follow the written instructions if you want to do. So I'm actually running a small software development company, and on my side time I like writing open source software to help people out or whatever sort of like pulls my interest. And I'm really interested in cryptocurrency, so I wrote this program on how to make more without necessarily spending the money I make for my software company, and just using this program to trade from one exchange to another and profit the difference in the trade. So I'll get on with it. After you download the program, the zip file, you want to unzip it in a location it's easy for you to access. I just put it right here on my desktop. And you'll have these files. The one you're going to have to configure is the config.js. So you're going to want to click on that and right click and go edit. I'm using Windows, so open up in Notepad. If it doesn't open up in Notepad, select Notepad. Say I want to open this up in Notepad. Mine just knows, I guess, to open a Notepad. I've had some feedback saying some people had to pick Notepad open with, so just a heads up. So you're going to have to put in your public address, your public Ethereum address, or which is the same as your BNB or Polygon address, the public key to that address you're entering. Now, if you have a wallet that doesn't give easy access to your public key, you can put in your wallet seed, but make sure if you put in your wallet seed, you also put the public address you want it to utilize, because in the wallet seed you can have multiple public addresses, so make sure you put the one you want to utilize in there. The network. So for Ethereum, it's 1, which is the default is 1. If you want to use BNB, change that to 2. If you want to use Polygon, change that to 3. The max spend is the max amount you want the program to spend from or utilize from your wallet. It's set for 0.5 for Ethereum, which is pretty much the default. It depends on where the volatility in the market is. Right now, I think you could get away with like 0.25 with the current volatility. Now, if you don't put enough, if you change that to like some like 0.001 or something, the program would just constantly run, but won't find any kind of arbitrage because it won't be profitable. It only execute the arbitrage if it's profitable. So you want to keep that in mind too. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to enter my stuff right here, and we'll see what it looks like when it runs. So I put my information in, public address and private key, and I saved it. Now we're going to go over to index.html. We're going to go over there. We're going to right click. We're going to go open with. You want to open it with any modern web browser, which is basically any modern web browser runs JavaScript. So I did all my testing on Firefox. It seems to run real smooth on that. So I'm going to click on. Okay, then you have a little button over here. I'm going to click on Run Bot. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, as my wallet balance, the max spend I want to utilize, and no errors. Very important you have no errors. Now, if you have warnings or errors, it'll pop up down here, up here, or even right here, and tell you how to fix those. And right now it's looking for, already found an arbitrage. Look at that. Perfect. Let's go ahead and pause it for a second so we can. So we found the arbitrage between Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum, another coin here, and see, it tells you exactly where we found the arbitrage. The estimated profit, which was 1.5, and you can even see I have more in my wallet right now. And it'll tell you, yeah, the 100% successful, got the arbitrage. Actually got more. The estimated profit was 1.5. It got it for 1.76, and that's how much we got right here. So you can see it's very highly effective, works good, and also I stopped the bot, but the transaction ID and everything will go in here. Before I stopped, it was in there, so you can review the transaction and everything. But I'll leave the link to my the GitHub, and I hope you guys please enjoy, and please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I have a new YouTube channel. Please subscribe so I get more subscribers. And also, I'll be entering this program in the JavaScript annual codeathon. And if you guys enjoyed it and it worked good for you, please go on there and vote for me. It's free for you to vote, and it'll support me into my further open source software development. Thank you. Oh, I guess one more thing. I forgot to show you my results. I've actually ran this for 28 days, 24/7. So I'm going to throw in my results real quick. So this was my starting Ethereum, and this is what I end with. And this is just from running the program 24/7 for 28 days. So thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up.